Hey y'all, ready to do some more math? Okay, today we're going to work on 2-digit minus 1-digit with numbers only, usually with regrouping. So let's look at this problem. We have 62 minus 8. Notice the ones are lined up correctly. So I have 2 minus 8. I can't do that. I can't take 2 and subtract 8 from them. That's physically impossible. So I have to, what is it called? Regroup. So I'm going to go over here to the 6s, to the 10s, cross out the 6. I'm taking 1 10, so I'm going to write a 5 up here that I'm leaving. And I'm going to move a 10 here. And 10 plus 2 is 12. And just for clarity, I'm going to cross out the 2 so I don't get myself confused. Now I have 12 minus 8. In my brain, I'm thinking 12 minus 8 equals what? Well, I could break the 8 up into 2 and 6. 12 minus 2 is 10. And 10 minus 6 is 4. If I don't have it memorized, I can think about breaking the numbers apart. So here I have 4. Now I'm going to go to the tens column. 5 minus 0 is what, guys? You're right, 5. That part's easy, isn't it? Okay, let's look at another one. You can watch me as I do it. Here we have 81 minus 8. My ones are lined up. I can't take 1 and subtract 8 from it because 1 is smaller than 8. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to regroup again. So change the 8 to a 7 and move that 110 over here. 10 plus 1 is 11. And I cross out this 1 so I don't get myself confused. Now I have 11 minus 8 equals what? In my brain, 11 minus 8 equals something. Well, I can, if I take 1 and 7, I can take 11 minus 1 equals 10. And then 10 minus 7 equals 3. So 11 minus 8 is 3. And then 7 minus what? 0, because there's nothing there, is 7. So my answer is 73. The next problem you are going to do in your journal, so get it ready. Okay, we have 29 minus 9. Write it in your journal. Pause the video till you're done. Okay, now look at how you wrote the problem. Did you write on the lines? And did you line up your 10s and your 1s? The two 9s should be stacked on top of each other. If you've written your problem properly, pause the video and solve it. If you have not written your problem properly, pause the video, rewrite the problem. Do not erase. Just next to where you wrote it incorrectly, write it correctly so we can see your thinking. Then go ahead and solve it. Pause the video now. Hey, welcome back. Did you see where we had a little bit of a trick here? Can I take 9 minus 9? Yeah, I don't have to regroup for this, do I? 9 minus 9 is 0. And what is 20 minus 0? 2. So my answer is 20. That was pretty easy. Let's do another one. Sorry about that. Okay, let's do another one. 45 minus 7. Write this in your journal. Write the numbers on the lines and line up your ones. Pause the video and copy the problem down now. Welcome back. Did you line up your ones properly? If you didn't, pause the video and rewrite the problem without erasing. Okay, so now you're ready to go. Look at the problem. Are you going to have to regroup? If so, you know what to do. Start solving the problem now. Pause the video. Glad to see you guys back. Okay, 5 minus 7. What did you decide? Do you need to regroup? Of course you do, because 5 is less than 7. So we're going to go next door, and we're going to get that 10. Changing this to a 30. Move the 10 over here. 10 plus 5 is 15. So now we have 15 minus 7. Okay, in my brain I can think 15 minus 7 is very close to 14 minus 7. Now 14 minus 7 is a reverse of a double. So the answer there is 7. But 15 is one more, so my answer here has to be one more, which would be 8. So after I've done that in my head, I write 8 down here. Now I have 3 minus 0 equals 3. Yes, I know Andy's barking at popcorn again. Sorry about that, guys, but they're outside playing. So now I have 38 as my answer. Is that what you got as your answer? I hope it is. If not, go back and look and see where you made your mistake. Because when we can find our own mistakes, that shows we're really learning. In the meantime, while you're waiting for the rotation to end, go ahead and go to gregtangmath.com and do that.